Hello friends. Today we will discuss about expression of pressure volume work or PV type work. There is one question like this. Derive the expression of work when a gas expands against constant external pressure. We can see answer of this question. Let certain amount of gas at constant pressure P is placed in a cylinder fitted with frictionless movable piston. It is also rigid and capital A is its area. Suppose gas expands from volume V1 to V2. Piston moves upward through a distance D against external opposing force or external pressure as shown in figure. Then the work is done is W is equal to F into D, where F is force and D is distance. But we know that force F is equal to minus external pressure into area. The opposite sign, that is negative sign of Pxt, shows piston moves upward against external opposing pressure. Put the values of F in above equation. Therefore, W is equal to minus Pxt into capital A into small d. But A into D is equal to change in volume, that is a delta V is equal to V2 minus V1, that is difference between two volumes. V1 is the initial volume, V2 is final volume. Therefore, W is equal to minus Pext into delta V, or it may be also written as W is equal to minus Pxt in bracket V2 minus V1. And this equation shows external pressure determines the work during expansion or also contraction. Note number 1. When gas expands, work is done by the system on the surrounding because V2 is greater than V1 and hence minus Pxt into delta V is negative. That means the work done is negative. When gas compressed, work is done on the system by the surrounding because final volume V2 is less than initial volume V1 and hence the W is positive, that is external pressure into delta V is also positive. This is also remember, during expansion of gas, work is done by the system on the surrounding, and during compression of work is done on the system by the surrounding. Now, free expansion. There may be one question in board examination. A free expansion of gas results into no work. Explain. First definition of free expansion. Expansion against zero opposing force is called free expansion. Free expansion occurs in vacuum. Work done by a system during expansion is W is equal to minus Pxt into delta V, where W is work done, Pext is external pressure, and delta V is a change in volume. When gas expands in vacuum, there is no opposing force. That is, here opposing force is noted by Pxt. Therefore, external pressure is equal to 0. Substitute this value in above equation. Therefore, W is equal to 0. Hence, no work is done when gas expands freely in vacuum. Thank you.